All right, question number 1. We have A is equal 35, B is equal 7. So we need to find A plus B, A minus B, A times B, and A divided by B. So it's going to be 35 plus 7 equal 42. 35 minus 7 equal 28. 35 times 7 it's going to be 245. So, and 35 divided by 7, which I can rewrite 35 over 7 in the format of fraction. It's going to be equal 5. Okay. Question number 2. What do we have? Evaluate 3xz minus 2x if x is equal 5 and z is equal 4. So what we are going to do here, plug in 3 times x is 5, multiplication, and times z is 4, and minus 2 times 5, right? So 3 times 5 is 15. 15 times 4 is 60. And 2 times 5 is 10. So we get 60 minus 10, and that is equal 50. Okay? Question number 3. We have 6xy squared minus 5. We need to evaluate this expression when x is equal 1 and y is equal 4. Okay, so let's see. 6 times x is 1 times y squared. It's going to be 4 squared minus 5. So what do we get? 6 times 1 is 6. 4 squared is 16, right? We need to multiply, and minus 5. Let's see, how much is 6 times 16? 16 times 6 is going to be 6 times 6, 36, 3 in mind. 6 times 1 is 6, and 3 is going to be 96. So here is 96. And the result is 96 minus 5 is equal 91. All right, moving to question number 4. Let me see, I need to open it. Number 4. Okay. Question number 4. That is equal 13 minus y minus x, where x is equal 2, y is equal 5. All right, let's do it. 13 minus y is 5, x is 2. And we are getting 13 minus 5 minus 2 is 3. And the answer is 10. Moving to question number 5. y to power 4 plus z minus x. Okay, where x is equal 1, y is equal 1, z is equal 3. Okay, so y to power 4, it's meaning 1 to power 4 plus z is 3 minus x is 1. So what do we get? 3 minus 1 is 2, and 1 to power 4 is 1. So 1 plus 2, the answer is 3. Moving to question number 6. We have 3y minus 11 over x, where x is equal to, y is equal 5. Okay, let's plug. 3 times y is 5 and minus 11 divided by x, meaning divided by 2. Based on order of operations, first I have to do multiplication. 3 times 5, which is going to be 15 minus 11 over 2. So then I take care of everything that is in the numerator, which is going to be 11 minus 15 minus 11 is 4 divided by 2. And the answer is 2. Yes? Moving to question number 7. We have 5x over y minus 10 over y, where x is equal to, y is equal 5. Okay, so 5 times x is 2 divided by y, which is 5, minus 10 divided by 5. Okay, so we are getting 5 times 2 is 10 over 5, minus 10 over 5. Result is 0. All right. Moving to question number 8, I'm sorry. Question number 8. 2x squared minus 6x plus 7. All right. 2x squared minus 6x plus 7, we need to evaluate with x is equal 7. So let's plug everywhere. 2 times 7 squared minus 6 times 7 and plus 7. So first of all, we need to raise here 7 squared is 49 times these 2 minus, then I can do multiplication, 6 times 7, 42 and plus 7. So 2 times 49, it's going to be 98 minus 42 plus 7. So from here, we are getting 56 because we have only addition and subtraction. We the calculate in the order they are coming. First subtraction, we do subtraction. Then if first addition, we do with addition. Okay? And the final answer is 63. Moving on. Question number 9. Three y minus 2z cubed when y is equal 3, z is equal 3. Okay, so what we are getting, 3 times 3 minus 2 times 3 and all this to power 3. So from here, 3 times 3 is 9 minus 2 times 3 is 6. We are doing order of operation. Multiplication come first, then subtraction. And first of all, we are taking care of parentheses, right? Next, I have to do the subtraction in parentheses, 3, and then to power 3, it's going to be 27. I hope we are doing good. All right. Next is going to be question number 10. We have xy times 7 plus z minus x. Okay? X is equal to, y is equal to, z is equal 4. Yes? Okay. So, what do we have? Let's plug 2 times 2 times 7 plus z is 4 and minus x is 2. Yes? So first operation we do 2 times 2 is 4 times, now we get into parentheses, take care of what is inside of parentheses. So what is going to be? 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 minus 2 is 9. So might as well, I just can put on everything 9. And the answer is 36. Okay. Question number 11. It says, write down in math terms the product of 511 and a number. If number is x, then product of 511 and the number, it's going to be 511. And this is the product of 511 and a number. Remind you, a number we take an x. Number 12. Write down in math terms the quotient of the quotient of y and x. 4 and x. Sorry. The quotient of 4 and x. 4 and x, the quotient. Okay. Question number 13. Where is it here? So, 9x plus x plus 4x. How much it's going to be? 9x plus x is 10x. 10x plus 4x, it's going to be 14x. Yes? Number 14. It says the product of 9 and a number. So it's going to be product 9 and a number, 9x. Next, number 15. Difference between 1 and x, or 1 less x. 1 less number, which is going to be 1 less number, or x. Same thing. Next, a number less 13. Number less 13. Now our number is x, less 13. Yes? 17. Quotient of 10 and x. Quotient of 10 and x. 10 over x, or we can write down 10 divided by x. Next. the sum of n multiplied by 3 and 2. So sum of n multiplied by 3 and 2. So 3n, it's going to be n plus 2. And all that, it says equals 17. All right. So triple of n, sum of triple of n and 2 equal to 17. And we need to solve this. No, we don't have to solve this. We just have to write down the format. So number, oh yeah, we need to solve. Okay, let's solve it. So 3n is equal. So moving 2 on this side, 17 minus 2, one thing you need to know, every time I move term over equal sign, this equal sign, it doesn't matter from left to right or from right to left. You have to flip the sign on opposite. For example, if you have, let's say here, 3x minus 2 plus 5 equal negative 7x plus 8x minus 1. So I want to collect all x's on the left side of the equal sign and on the available terms on the right side. So 3x stays where it is. Negative 7x I'm moving here, become positive 7x. Positive 8x I want to move here, become negative 8x. Okay, equal sign. Now all available terms I want to collect on the right side. So here we have minus 1. And then from here, negative 2. Once I move on this side, it's going to be positive 2. And 5, positive 5 moving on this side, become negative 5. And then you combine. The bottom line is, my point is, any term you move over equal sign, all you do, just flip the sign. It was positive, will become negative. If it was negative, will become positive. So 3n is equal 17 minus 2. 3n is equal 15. And then we divide by 3 here, divide by 3 here. This is gone. 15 and 3 I can reduce by 3, 1 and 5. And my answer is going to be how much? It's going to be equal 5. N is equal 5. Okay? And that's it, I believe. Let me check it. Yes, 18 total questions. Okay, so I re-recorded this video because first time I recorded, there was no sound, so I re-recorded again. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in next video.